Learn more on BBC Bitesize.
Enlargements with fractional scale factors are similar to enlargements with whole scale factors, except that when the scale factor is between 0 and 1, for example 1/2, the shape will get smaller after the enlargement, not bigger. To describe an enlargement from shape A to shape B, you need two pieces of information: the centre of enlargement and a scale factor. The centre of enlargement is found by drawing straight lines through the matching vertices of both shapes and seeing where they meet. So here, the centre of enlargement is -3, 0. Changing this point changes where the enlarged shape B is positioned. The scale factor is the number that the lengths in the original shape A are multiplied by to give those in the new shape B. You can calculate the scale factor by dividing the length of one of shape B's sides by the corresponding length in shape A. So here, the scale factor is 2 divided by 4, which equals 1/2. Let's draw an enlargement with a scale factor of 1/3 and a centre of enlargement at the origin. First, count the number of horizontal and vertical squares from the centre of enlargement to each vertex. Remember, a vertex is a corner where two sides meet. This vertex is 6 squares to the left and 3 squares down from the origin. Multiplying both of these distances by the scale factor will give you the position of the corresponding vertex on the enlarged shape. So the new vertex is 6 times 1/3, which equals 2, squares to the left of the origin, and 3 times 1/3, which equals 1, square down from the origin. Mark this new vertex on your grid. Repeat this with every vertex, making sure you're counting from the centre of enlargement each time until you have 4 new vertices. Join these up with straight lines to give the enlarged shape. Let's look at an example question. Shape ABCDEF is enlarged by a scale factor of 1/4 with a centre of enlargement at -1, 2. What are the new coordinates of vertex B after the enlargement? Pause the video and have a go. To start, count the number of horizontal and vertical squares from the centre of enlargement to vertex B. That's 6 right and 4 down. Then, multiply these numbers by the scale factor. 6 times 1/4 equals 1.5, and 4 times 1/4 equals 1. This means the new vertex will be 1.5 squares to the right of -1 and 1 square down from 2 at the point 0.5, 1. Remember, enlargements are always specified by the centre of enlargement, which is a pair of coordinates that determines where the enlarged shape ends up, and a scale factor, which is a number, whole or fractional, that tells you what to multiply all the measurements by to give the enlarged shape.
For in-depth GCSE resources and practice, visit BBC Bitesize now.